In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly find attachments in Gmail. If you've ever found yourself endlessly scrolling through your inbox trying to locate a specific attachment, you know how frustrating and time-consuming it can be. Luckily, Gmail offers a straightforward way to filter your emails and help you zero in on those crucial attachments with ease. Let me guide you through this simple process. First, let's begin by opening your Gmail account. Once you're logged in and your inbox is displayed, direct your attention to the top part of the screen where the search bar is located. This is a powerful tool that can help you sort through your emails efficiently. To the right side of this search bar, you'll notice a small icon resembling a funnel or a series of sliding controls. This is the filter icon. It's the key to narrowing down your search within Gmail, so go ahead and click on it. Clicking on this icon will open a drop-down menu filled with various filtering options. This menu allows you to customize your search according to different criteria such as sender, date, and more. However, for our purpose today, we're interested in the options specifically related to attachments. As you scan through these filtering options, direct your attention towards the bottom of the drop-down menu. Here, you will find a checkbox labeled Has Attachment. This is the feature that will transform your search by limiting the results to only those emails that include an attachment. Click on this checkbox to select it. This sets up your filter to actively seek out emails that contain attachments. With the Has Attachment filter selected, you're now ready to execute the search. Simply click the search button, which is typically represented by a magnifying glass icon located on the right-hand side of the search bar. As you do so, Gmail will swiftly sift through all your emails and present a refined list, showing only those messages that have attachments. This feature allows you to efficiently manage your inbox and locate the files you need without any hassle. And just like that, you've learned how to quickly find attachments in Gmail. This method not only saves you time, but also streamlines your email management, making it easier to handle files and information that are crucial for your tasks. By utilizing this filtering feature, you can maintain better organization within your inbox and improve your productivity. I hope you find this tip helpful for navigating your email more effectively. Thank you for tuning in, and happy emailing.